If you want to take a photo, like right now, just press this one. Let me just... There you go. Nice. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Marione and I hope you are doing well, whatever you do and wherever you are. And in today's video, I'm really excited because finally I received this product. So yeah, my dear husband here got this product for me to support me in doing my vlogs. So, yay! So ayun, I searched this product and read a lot of good reviews that this is like this, like that, and it can do a lot of things. So that's why I'm super excited. Well, ito na, this is it! Tcharan! DJI OM4, guys. Wow! Osmo Mobile 4. So, without further ado, let's open it up. So guys, this is DJI OM4 or Osmo Mobile 4. This is a smartphone stabilizer. And inside the box, guys, so by the way, it comes in a kind of square box. Alright, and what the things that we can see inside the box are we have here the features, gesture control, and guys, I've watched it actually, some of the videos, and you can either use your palm or the sign. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's open it. Hirap na hirap, te. Alright, okay, so it says here, create magnetic moments. And guys, if you're going to look at on the side, alright, it has some illustrations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, let's remove this. Okay, before we will go to that, this first, create magnetic moments. So we have here the pouch. The fabric is good. It's quite nice actually. Here are some instructions anyway how to put the magnetic ring foam. So guys, we have here the manuals. Wow, it's pretty thick. So this is how the ring holder, the magnet as well. Here we're going to stick this one. You will need this one in putting it though. Wow! DJI OM4 itself. We have here the grip tripod. Okay. Alright. Looks stable, guys. We have here power cable. And then, well, guys, look what we have here. The DJI OM4. Alright. Feels good in my hand. This is the power on. I just pressed it and it turns on actually. And this one is the magnetic phone clamp. So you have two choices, okay? So this one is the magnetic ring holder. I think if you want the permanent, if you want this one to stay on your phone, you're gonna use this one. And if you don't want the not so permanent type, then you can just use this. And I think for me, I will be using this one instead of this permanent thing. Guys, what we're going to do next is to try to mount this DJI OM to my phone. So let's do it. Guys, I'm gonna use this magnetic phone clamp instead of the magnetic ring, because I don't want it to put it in my phone permanently. So at least this one I can just remove it every time I want. Clamp it now. Alright. And then adjust it. So they said make sure that the logo, which is the DJI, will be vertically aligned like this, as if you're holding your phone in a vertical way. Alright, so I guess that's it. And we're ready now to snap it here, but before that, let's put it up first. Alright, I am excited in this part, guys, the magnet thing. Let's see how strong this is. So make sure, make sure that it matches the logo, the position of it. So right here, I'm holding it like this. So let's put it. Wow! Ooh, that's strong. It's powerful. Alright, so right now my phone is kind of slanting like that, but I think once you're going to turn it on, it will put it into this position. So let's try. I'm gonna turn it on, so it's here. The switch on is this. There you go. Alright, I see. So it's quite nice. It's moving. Let's try to do it. Alright, I'm going to take a short video and see if this will be successful. So by the way, guys, before you're going to use this DJI OM, you will need to download this app, DJI Mimo. So I downloaded this earlier already, and we're going to now turn it on. But before that, you need to, so there you go, it detects already the DJI device found, so I'm just gonna connect it. By the way, before you're going to do that, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. So let's just do it. So mag-register lang ako, guys, and I will come back to you shortly. So here it is, guys. After I registered, I log in right away, and it will show you some beginner's instruction that you can just follow right away, and also install software. And after installing, after doing those things, here it is, guys. I'm holding it, and I will need more time, guys, to really export this thing, because there are a lot of things I need to explore. But the basic is you can move this if you want to move the phone down, up, or into the side. Alright, And if you want to take a photo, like right now, just press this one. Let me just... There you go. Nice. So, yes guys, overall, I think this is worth it. And yeah, for $149, I think it's worth it. It's nice. So guys, I'm done with the unboxing, and we did a little bit of trial and error also. And yeah, by the way, I have here my little chunky monkey. Napagod na po siya sa kakahintay na matapos ko itong vlog. So, he's with me right now. So, by the way guys, overall, I think this new toy, my new best friend here in vlogging, is worth it. That's it. So, what you're waiting for guys? So, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more of our videos using this gimbal.